Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Hi John, is that you?
Yes, Alex, it's me.
Wow, long time no see.
Yes, it has been years.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you? I'm good, too.
That's great. Where have you been? I moved to another city. Really? Which city?
I was in Paris.
Oh, nice. When did you come back? I came back last week. Why did you come here? To visit my family. That's good. Yes, I missed them.
You look different.
Haha, really? Yes, you look stronger. I go to the gym now. That's great. Thanks. Are you working now? Yes, I have a job.
What do you do?
I work in an office. Sounds nice. Yes, I like it. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I do. That's good to hear. Thank you.
Are you married?
No, not yet. Any plans? Maybe next year.
That's exciting.
Yes, I think so.
Do you still play cricket?
Sometimes. We used to play a lot.
Yes, those were fun days.
I miss those days. Me too. Do you meet old friends? Not often. Same here. Life is busy.
Very busy.
Yes.
Are you free today?
Yes, I am.
Let's go to a cafe.
Sure.
Come with me.
Okay.
Let's sit and talk.
Good idea.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, every day.
Me too.
Tea is life.
Yes.
Exactly. How is your father? He is healthy.
And your mother?
She is doing well. That's good. Yes? Do you have siblings? Yes, one brother.
What does he do?
He is a student. That's nice. Yes.
Do you live alone?
Yes, in Paris, I did. Was it difficult? A little.
Did you cook?
Yes, sometimes. What can you cook?
Simple food.
Like what? Rice and eggs. That's easy.
Yes. Do you like cooking?
Not really. Haha! Same here. Yes. Do you watch TV? Sometimes. Do you use social media? Yes, a lot.
Me too.
It's very popular.
Do you travel?
Yes, sometimes. Where did you go last?
Canada. Oh, nice place.
Yes, very beautiful.
Did you enjoy it? Yes, very much. Do you like nature? Yes, I love it.
Me too.
That's great. Do you read books? Sometimes. What kind of books?
Storybooks.
That's nice. Yes. Do you exercise?
Yes, daily.
That's good habit.
Thank you.
Do you wake up early? Yes, at 6 a.m.
That's early.
Yes. I wake up late.
You should wake up early.
I know.
Try it.
I will try.
Good.
Do you sleep well? Yes.
That's important.
Very important.
Do you feel happy?
Yes, most of the time. That's great.
Yes.
Life is good. Is
Yes, it is.
We should be thankful.
absolutely.
Do you want to travel abroad?
Yes, someday.
Which country?
Turkey. I want to visit Dubai.
That's great. We should travel together.
Yes. That will be fun.
Of course.
Do you save money?
Yes, a little.
That's smart.
Thanks.
Do you like shopping?
Not really.
I like it. Do you help others?
Yes, I try.
That's very kind.
Thank you. Do you like music?
Yes,
What kind?
Soft music.
Do you sing?
No. Me neither.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do. Me too.
It's useful.
Very useful.
Yes.
Do you practice daily?
Yes.
That's great.
Thank you. Do you watch English videos? Yes.
That helps a lot.
Yes.
We should practice together.
Good idea.
Let's do it daily.
Sure.
Time goes fast.
Yes, it does.
I enjoyed this meeting.
Me too.
It was great talking to you.
Same here.
Let's meet again.
Yes. Don't disappear again.
I won't.
Stay in touch.
Of course.
Call me sometime.
I will.
I'll message you.
Okay.
Take care.
You too.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Stay happy.
Always.
Don't forget me.
Never.
Keep smiling.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.